guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we'll be playing Super Cat Bros. That baseball went right through me. Guys, I am Golden Cat. What's not even golden? I have to come out of this mud or quicksand. I'm gonna turn into this cat. And see what's up there. What's over here? Hey! You got a cape. Or wings. Gliding is my special skill. Let's have fun. If you're gonna have fun, why did you go away? Were you gonna play basketball or something? Or I don't know. Try to hurt me because I'm Golden Cat? We got Olli. There's bees. I hate bees. Oh wait, they're hornets. I'm gonna become him. There's gotta be a special thing in here. Yup, I need. What's his name? I keep on forgetting that cat's name. Shinji. It sounds like it's some kind of sushi. I don't know why I did that, but I did. I'll tell you guys when I'm flying over there. Guys, I made it here, and there's these big bee hornets. Oh, it's one of... I have to get a butterfly. I have to get 3 bells in these. I got all. Now I want to see what's down here. There's nothing. And great, because I don't want to go back and have to go all that way to get back Shinji. Or is it Shingi? I want to go there. Can I please go there? I can really just skip the level. I'm literally skipping the level. Well, I skipped the level. And the secret opened up. Mud pits. I already know this is gonna be full of mud pits. Hello. Am I supposed to do something? I understand now, guys. So, I think here was 6. Okay, guys, he said 4. I think it's this. Nope. Is it not? Is it the one I'm not supposed to go in? Okay, guys, I'm gonna try the one he didn't go in. It still isn't that. Guys, he said 3, and I saw the one that said 3, so I went in here. And I got the bell. Now I'm gonna go back here and beat the level. Now let's use Olli. Do I have to collect back the coins? I don't think we need to collect them back, but I'll still check. Well, I can't check anyway, because I fell in the water. We need Amy for this. I got the last one. Yeah. Guys, we're so close to this big fortress. This one has a key in it. Diamond glass. Wait. What the hell? Where did that came from? I'm gonna go up there. I don't think there's anything, but I'm still gonna check. Oh yeah, the red coins. A red coin can be there. See guys, you have to collect all the red coins and then you'll get a bell. Now let's use Brutus and there's a key in there. How can I not get that? Oh wait, I can fly there. Nope. Then how do I get there? I know you have to get it from here, but how? I'm just gonna move on. How did that just appear? How did that spider just appear there? Oh wait, I know how you're supposed to get this. Okay guys, you're supposed to fall from here. I'll get Alex. Guys, I got it. Now let's fly out of here and get back. Guys, there's the finish line. But yeah guys, I'll end it here because I'm running out of time. And I'll see you in the next video you press.